If Adobe Premiere Pro is lagging while editing, don't worry. Most issues come from playback resolution, hardware, or project settings. So let's fix this fast and go to the program monitor. Then just go to the program monitor and set the playback resolution to 1/2 or 1/4. This reduces strain on your CPU and GPU and keeps playback smooth. Alright, then just enable GPU acceleration. You go to File, Project Settings, General Renderer, and select Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration. This lets Premiere Pro use your GPU instead of relying only on your processor. Then clear media cache. You go to Preferences, Edit Preferences, Media Cache, and click Delete Cache. For high-res footage like 4K, create proxy files in a low resolution. Premiere automatically switches between proxies and full-res exports. And also, too many effects or lumetri adjustments can slow playback. So just toggle FX button off temporarily to see if that fixes the lag. So just follow these steps to make Premiere Pro run smoothly and avoid lag. Enjoy, and see you in the next one.